Hello guys, welcome to Rafplay. Today we have this amazing Range Rover car. With its realistic design and easy-to-use controls, it's the perfect vehicle for little drivers to explore their surroundings. Equipped with large 12-inch AVA tires, this vehicle can handle various terrains with ease, ensuring a smooth and adventurous ride every time. The Range Rover Kids car features a multi-function dashboard, putting all the controls right at your child's fingertips. Spacious to seats equipped with safety belts. This amazing car offers both forward and reverse functions, giving your young drivers full control of their journey. With 2-speed options, manual and remote control capabilities, parents can rest easy knowing they can supervise their child's play or let them take the wheel independently. It comes with a built-in media player, compatible with SD cards, USB drives, and MP3 players, so your little ones can groove to their favorite tunes while on the go. Key start feature with authentic startup sounds. So why wait? Give your child the gift of endless fun and exploration with the Range Rover Kids car today, only at www.rafplay.com.